Imagine you have a sorted list and need to find just one value. Checking every number works, but it's painfully slow. What if we could eliminate half of the data in a single step?
Think about how you use a dictionary. You never start from page 1. You open somewhere in the middle, instantly eliminate half the pages, and repeat. Binary search follows the exact same idea.
Binary search always starts from the middle. If the target is greater than the middle value, we safely ignore everything on the left. Half of the work disappears instantly. We repeat the same process again and again. Every comparison cuts the remaining search space in half until only the answer is left.
Instead of checking every element, binary search keeps cutting the data into halves. That's why it runs in logarithmic time, making it incredibly efficient even for massive datasets.
Now that the intuition is crystal clear, let's walk through a complete dry run and then implement binary search step by step in Java.